Hey, man, we got a club car tempo here. Problem is, it ain't pumping no gas, it ain't cranking up. One or two, it ain't firing. Man, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it. Show you how to do this, man. Right now I have my 12 volts, which is your red and white wire, and your black and white wire, which is your hot and your ground for the fuel pump. The black and the orange is just your sending unit for voltage to measure the fuel. So I'm gonna turn my key on, turn my key off. I got me this from Harbor Freight, man. Works pretty good. I think I paid $80 for it. Don't get the cheaper one they got for like 20 bucks. It's no good, lasted one time. And when I hit the gas, you can see I have battery voltage. That bad boy's pumping nothing. Pumping no gas. All right. When I took that off, so right here you're seeing that we have battery voltage on here, but we just don't have no gas coming out, or very little gas coming out. And this is what's crazy about it. This is why, I mean, it's hard to look at the tank and unhook the line itself and see if you got fuel, because if you turn the key off and you unhook the fuel line off of the fuel tank, and then you hit the gas. If gas comes out of here, how do you know what it is? You're like, all right, man, it's good to go. No, it ain't, because a little bit of gas does pour out of here. Matter of fact, let me show that to you. And if you didn't know no better, you would have assumed that, oh, I mean, that's plenty enough gas to pump gas to get the car started. But it ain't. Now watch this here now. I'm going to set this here. Set my lane and try to just catch gas if any comes out. Now I'm going to hit the gas. We're going to see how much comes out. Look at it. If you look at it now, it's a steady stream. All right, but according to the fuel pressure gauge, there's not enough pressure. And you can tell too, man, because watch this right here. When you hook it up, hook back up, pop this back on there. On there, watch when it cranks up, watch it. The very first initial, it tries to bust off a little bit. But that's it. Other than that, there's nothing. They ain't cranking up, man. That's called lack of pressure. All right, y'all stay tuned, man. Watch some of my videos, man. Hey.